first hunting trip? And we had a chance today, but it's okay, we didn't get anything. But Zoe's having a good time.
And now, going down the hill. We were up a lot higher today, but...
We have 2 hours. Are you tired?
Yeah, but we have a while. Am I going the right way? That was the leaf. Oh gosh. That steam. Now we're driving down the hill. It's really bumpy. And here's camp. Let's go take a look. It's our truck, a friend's truck, pack, and obviously I've changed. Trailer, chairs, that's my chair. And this is what happens when I get bored. I make gloves out of duct tape. Yeah. That's a friend's, what do you call it? Tent. Yep. This is my balance beam. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, and what's that, you might ask?
Da da da.
Yeah, it's the toilet. Anyway, over here is where I like to go. Because I can go here without being annoyed by middle-aged men. Not that that's a bad thing. Here's my amazing swing that I made. It's really cool. It's like just a rope. Oh yeah, by the way, this is a meat pole. Yeah, this is my swing, and I will show you how it works. Possibly if I can, so I didn't bring my tripod with me, so let's see. Okay, now we just need a piece of wood. 1 second. This is gonna work. Okay. Here I go. Woohoo! Swinging on the meat pole. Pretty cool. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Ow. I'm okay. Ow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, on to the next thing. And so, this is our really cool campsite. Yeah, you don't have to look over there. I'll just cover that up. Toilets, just, it's not fun. And over here, we have the trailer. Ta-da! Yeah, pretty small, but it works. Yep. Pretty cool. Alright, well, that is my hunting trip experience.